Hey guys, today we're comparing Robinhood versus Webull to help you decide which investing app is best for beginners in 2025. Let's start with Robinhood. Robinhood is known for its clean and super simple interface. No trading fees, no minimum deposits, and it offers access to stocks, ETFs, crypto, and options all in one place. You also get fractional shares and recurring investments, making it easy to build a habit. It's built for ease, but it has fewer tools for deep analysis. Now, Webull. Webull also offers zero commission trading, but it's designed with more advanced investors in mind. You get detailed charts, indicators, and paper trading for practice. The interface is more complex, but it's a great learning tool if you want to go beyond the basics. What about safety? Both apps are regulated and insured up to $500,000 via SIPC, so your money is protected. Here's how to choose between the two. If you're just getting started and want something friendly, Robinhood is your pick. If you're ready to learn more and want advanced tools from the start, Webull is better.